Yawning with the tongue on the soft palate supports the lower jaw and helps relax the muscles of the face and the neck. So it does more than just yawning itself. It promotes the upright head posture, whereas a low tongue posture can tighten the front chain of muscles and pull the head forward. And yawning with tongue on the soft palate also opens the airway more than a regular yawn, calming the nervous system and reducing muscle tension.
将舌头放在软腭上打哈欠，可以支撑下颚，有助于放松脸部和颈部的肌肉。这个是比光光打哈欠有了更多的作用。促进头部端正的姿势。舌头位置过低了会紧缩身体前侧肌肉链，将头部往前拉。将舌头放在软腭上打哈欠，可以打开呼吸道，平静神经系统，并减轻颈部肌肉紧绷。
La da da